Yeah, this is very, very relevant because
I want to go get
fucking Feather is performing right now.
Mills is a faggot.
Yeah, I'm a faggot. Wait,
Yeah,
what?
massive faggot. He
Anyway.
doesn't have tickets to the big game.
I got tickets to the big game, and I was just delivered a whole plastic bag of whatever the hell this is, and I've been keen as all hell ever since I started listening to ICP and reading Homestuck to see what the fuck this shit is about. So I'm gonna open one, and you're gonna see for the first time this motherfucking juggalo taking a sip of Fago fruit punch. There's like 5 jillion other flavors or something, but bottoms up. I mean, it's not bad, but it's normal soda.
Dirty attack!
That was a rip-off, gosh.